I'll guide you through how to make text bold on LinkedIn post. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and go to LinkedIn.com. On the homepage, go to the top right corner of the screen and click Join Now. Enter your email address, create your password, and then click Agree and Join. Next, enter your first name and last name and click the Continue button. Choose your location address. Then click Continue again to complete your account setup. After that, open your browser in a new tab and search for LinkedIn text formatting. On the results page, click Format Now. On the formatting page, input your desired text in the text box. For example, "Hello, I'm Alexander Lawrence as a business owner." Copy the text from the bold output box to make your text appear bold. Then, return to LinkedIn and on your homepage, click Start a Post. In the post creation area, paste your formatted text by pressing Ctrl+V on your keyboard. Once you are satisfied with the formatting and message, click the Post button to share it.